Got my pasalubong, of course. PH Care. Yun talaga dun. Yun nagpasaya sa akin, PH Care. Yes, for the cooling effect. Thank you for the bag. Ayan. Miguel. Ano to siya? Is it like a collectible item? Yeah. Ah, okay. Wow. Ooh. And then, skincare. Shirts from LaSalle. That's it. Thank you. Hi, guys! Look who's here!
Tourista mode on.
Tourista. Actually, ngayon lang din ulit ako nakakapag-tourista mode. Pag may galing ng Philippines. So, on our way to the city, to meet Miguel and Mom. And lunch date daw.
Yeah.
And gala na din.
It's my first. Hi, I'm Margo, by the way. It's my first time in Australia.
And so far, what's your impression? So far, so good. You like the weather?
Yeah.
Yes. Ganda niya, di ba? Anyway, lakad lang kami kasi 6 minutes lang. 6 minutes yung next tram. Bye! So we're here, the boiling crab with the husband and mom.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Yeah,
Waiting for food. Yeah,
no,
fries.
No, she's leaving.
Oh my gosh.
She's leaving. She's just gonna eat alone.
Alright.
Dapat nandito.
Alright. Wow. Wow. Gusto ko yung wow lahat sila eh. Wow. Wow.
More. There's more pa. More pa.
Woo. Thank you.
Thank you, love.
Sa boiling crab, dito kami ngayon sa kapila. Ano ulit yung sinabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Marami.
Kumusta daw yung love life dito? Madami daw.
May kwento kang
Too many to choose, ganun. Gusto ko yung ano, yung kwentuhan is about love life, no?
Oh, meron ka naman eh.
Sino? Ayan. Waiting lang.
Yeah,
So we're here na sa pool. Iba na naman yung seatmate. Iba naman. So we just ordered our food. We're waiting for it.
Yung ano?
Tambay muna kami dito. Egg white. Second. Is this the biscuit?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come up? Finished.
Ano? Sabi mo
finally. Kahit na
This is the Nutella.
San?
Mom and son. Oh, gusto mo yun? Ito ka ba? Hindi, yun lang yung standard. So, let's try!
Higit ko na.
I love bombers.
Hindi mo sarap. Teme lang yun.
Dapat may...
At ayun na nga, nasa Melbourne Central na kami. Nag-aantay kay Andrea! Oh, fresh ka pa ba?
Okay pa.
Fresh pa! Di ba? Ang ganda. Ganda! Ganda naman this girl. Oh?
Ganda ng camera.
I know, right? Plus maganda pa yung nasa camera. Huh? China! Bye! Dito na sila. Hi guys! Gusto ko yung enjoy kayo dyan. Bumibili pa sila ng mga keyrings and mga earrings na dito. Gusto ko yung nawawala sa Lasaka. Alam ko, sabi ko, eh, hinahanap nila. Ang ganda kasi ng kanta. Nanood ako.